welcome to another episode of Simple Vegan Recipes. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that for more simple vegan recipes. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try a Thai roasted broccoli with garlic and turmeric powder. So, broccoli right here. I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of liquid Bragg's amino, and in this one we have the turmeric and the garlic. So let's go ahead and put all of these in a bowl, and we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until it's a little roasted and a little crispy. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so this is the mixture of the broccoli and the liquid Bragg's amino, the turmeric, the garlic powder, and the olive oil. Go ahead and place it in the oven on a baking sheet. Oh, I forgot to mention the broccoli is organic and it's from the Joseph farm. Shout out to the Joseph family. Okay, so we're all done. This looks so good and very crispy. Can't wait to give this a try. As I always do, encourage you guys to give those recipes a try, simple vegan recipes, and subscribe to this channel for more simple vegan recipes. You can smell the turmeric and the garlic in there and the liquid Bragg's amino with the olive oil. It looks good, folks. Give it a try, and I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.